In this video, we're going to discover exactly what China's moon rover has actually discovered so far. I'm John, I'm a space enthusiast, and today we're talking about China's lunar rover. The rover also called Yutu 2. So, bit of a mouthful, let's get into the video. And guess what? They're exploring the dark side of the moon. Yeah, you heard that right, the dark side of the moon. And I know what you're thinking, John, there's Transformers on the dark side of the moon. You saw the Michael Bay film Transformers? Well, we'll get into that in a minute. Yeah, so China's lunar rover has actually been active since 2019 and it's exceeded its lifespan, which was originally for like 3 months, so it's actually smashed it out of the park, guys. It's travelled over 1,600 meters and roughly 1 mile, if you want to be specific. And it started breaking down in early 2025, and it's believed it stopped moving potentially due to degradation or relay satellite issues. But recent reports, September 2025, confirmed it resumed operations after a pause in 2024. But there has been some major issues with the lunar rover, and it's mostly down to dust, because the dust on the moon is really fine, so it's a little bit like sandpaper, guys. Actually, wait a minute, I remember I said to you there might be Transformers on the moon, so let's roll this back. Okay, so I don't want to let you guys down, let's have a look, let's see what we can find on the moon. Okay, so it's looking pretty dusty. A lot of dust, some rocks. Have a look there. Sorry guys, looks like there's only dust. I was excited. I was hoping there was going to be something else, but you know, it is what it is. We'll keep searching. Okay, so you're probably wondering, what have they found so far? So I've got an image up from China's Yutu 2 showing a cube-shaped object on the horizon on the far side of the moon, and basically they called this the hut. That was what they were titling it, and some people said it was a little bit like clickbait. So once astronomers checked out the images and they got further analysis, it turned out to be just a boulder shaped as a hut. So nothing exciting there. Okay, so the U2 spotted a weird looking material inside this crater, and it was sort of gel-like, and a lot of people were thinking, what the hell is that? Could it be something connected to aliens? Sadly, no aliens, guys. If I could find some aliens, I'll be the first person to let you know. So keep following the channel, you never know. I might be able to discover some of these images I'm looking at. Okay, so after scientists studied it properly, they now think it's just impact melt rock, and that happens when a meteor smashes into the moon, everything melts, then cools into shiny glass rock. That is it. So yeah, they haven't discovered much, but it's better than nothing. Okay, so those are some of the main things I managed to find out about this mission. There are, however, some other things going on with the moon. There's missions with humans that are going to go to the moon. China are planning to do one this decade, and also the US are planning to do their own one with the Artemis mission, so that's coming up very soon. I'll do my best to sort of cover those launches and also the actual missions itself. So hope you like this video. I'll see you in the next one, guys, so take care.